Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful day, and this is the early morning meetup, the International Jawa Yezdi Day meetup. And as you see behind me, we have a good number of bikers, and this is Dathan Days. I'm going to take you through the entire International Java Day celebration.
Everyone will come to it now. Please make sure that this is a public place, so we are.
So guys, we are here in the Road King lineup. Both the sides you see Road Kings lined up, and this is my Road King that I've rode up. And if you haven't checked out the video, I've given my entire childhood of how I grew up on this bike. So the link to that video is right up above there, or I put the link in the description. So this is my bike, and I have felicitated the bike with the 2025 logo that you see here. So the logos that you see on the mudguard, I would prefer to keep the mudguard the same because this has the history, the different events that it's been with. So yeah, that's the lineup. And as we walk past each and every bike has a good amount of history with its owners, and the different colorways, the different builds, and you know, it's a lot of passion that you see in these motorcycles that are standing here. It's not only in this lineup, all across. So we've got to see some pretty good colors of the Road King and the original colorways that they've done. So let's hop on to the other lineup as well. As we hear some beautiful engines, roaring around here and there, we are surrounded by the new age Yezdi motorcycles and the vintage. So as you see, here is the adventure motorcycles, the new one that's launched, and this is the 2024 model. So stay tuned for the review on the 2025 Yezdi Adventure. Apart from that, look at all these beautiful bikes that we have here from every era. That is, every era of the 90s. We see every different Yezdi motorcycle, and that line is the entire Java motorcycles. So this is the Yezdi crew. That's Yezdi Adventure, and that's the Yezdi Vintage. So let's walk on to the Java crew and let's see what are the different bikes that they have over there. So guys, we are here with Mr. Vishal, who is the founder and the owner of the RD350 Club, and this is his pride and joy, the Java, which has a sidecar as well. So I'll pass it on to him to share how he got this bike and the passion behind the motorcycle.
Hi, I'm Vishal Agarwal. I own about 45 plus vintage bikes, and it's always nice to be on a Java day here. A lot of bikes, colorful sight. And here I'm on my 1960 Java today, which has got a sidecar. I just pitched it on the road. It's fun. Nice vibe around here today.
Thank you, Vishal.
Cheers, buddy.
Nice meeting you. So guys, as we saw with Vishal, this is his pride and joy, the Java motorcycle that has been converted with a sidecar addition. And then we have this beautifully maintained Java 250 CL2, which is polished and brought for this event. We have the Yezdi Adventure, the new launch, the 2025 model. We have the Java TS 350, which is one of the rare motorcycles to see. Another Java 350 and CZ 250 twin from Java. Another Java, it's a lineup of Javas, and that white Java Tursport, TS stands for Tursport. That is a 350cc. That is the bike of the founder of BJYMC Group. Pretty good maintained bike, and he takes his bike everywhere. He takes it on every single ride that he can plan for. So guys, we are surrounded by some pretty good company. We have the Java Classic, we have the Y350 twin from Yezdi, we have the Yezdi Colt, and the Java California, which is a 250cc bike, and this is from factory. This carriage that you pull behind is from factory, and this is the only bike in Bangalore that we see that is maintained in this condition and with this sidecar, or maybe a carrier behind for the motorcycle. It's a pretty good addition, and you don't get to see this anywhere else. So guys, this is the Yezdi Oil King, one of the most rare motorcycles that you will see in today's times, because the Oil King came right after the Road King. The difference is that the Road King, if you own a vintage bike, you know that you put oil and petrol together in the fuel tank, while this has a complete separate unit to put the oil, and the petrol tank, you fill only petrol. So that's one of the rare motorcycles to be seen here. And let's hop on to the other side, because you're going to see a lot of pipes. Then you'll understand the difference between the Road King and the Oil King. So guys, as you see, the Oil King gets a flower head for the engine, and the pipes also, you see 2-3 pipes going here and there. So that's how you get to know the Oil King, apart from the logo that's here, and slight design cues changes from the Road King. Hop on right next to it. This is the Road King, and you see we have the petrol oil mixer here where you have the filter, and it's a very clean, simple design, while this is much more complicated where you have all pipes running everywhere. This was discontinued, not sure why, but it's a pretty good thing to see this bike here. So guys, as we see here, this is the Yezdi 250 Classic, and you see this red paint, you might feel a little different. Even I was thinking this is just matte paint, but actually this is wrapped in leather. Even the head, the mudguard, the entire bike is wrapped in leather. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this, but it's done so tastefully. Some people may feel it too loud, but it depends on the owner. Yeah guys, I'm here with Mr. Mohammad Siddiq, and this is his Joy. As I mentioned to you before, this is completely wrapped in leather, and I'm going to give it to him because he's going to talk about the inspiration behind this motorcycle. So over to you.
Hi, this is Mohammad Siddiq from National Customs. We have a custom garage, and I wanted to do something different from everything. Like from all the vehicles, it should look different. So we have wrapped everything, tank, shields, matte finish of leather, red color. So it looks different.
Thank you, Mohammad Siddiq. This is honestly a pretty good bike, and when we first saw this bike in person, I was thinking it's a matte finish paint. When I run my hand through, that's when I'm like, wait, it doesn't feel matte finish. And that's when we found out that it is a leather finish. Honestly, it's a very good motorcycle and very good inspiration that you brought in as well. Go check out National Customs, because they're into all these, inspiration and crazy work. So go check them out as well.
We do all kind of vintage and normal vehicles also, restoration and repair, and then super bikes restoration and service. We do all kind of vehicles, two-wheelers only.
So guys, as we see, apart from the Yezdi Jawa Club, we also have the Scooters Club as well, where we have some pretty good scooters lined up, the Bajaj Chetaks and pretty different scooters also. We also have the Lambretta at the far end, the orange and white. So yeah, it's not only Yezdi Jawa, it's the entire vintage club that we find here. So guys, that's the video on the International Jawa Yezdi Day celebration. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.